So just to remind you, I've stripped it down. This is my food tray thing that comes with food packaging. You just need the edges off them. Tall edge on the left, short edge on the right. So I've got 5 pieces. It's called K2 Color Flex Pro. So K2 Pro synthetic rubber protection coating. Usually used for wheels, so it should be able to take a bit of heat. Once you spray it on, you can peel it off like a, like a sticky coated layer, really. So that's what I'm ultimately going to do. So if you want to, come and watch it, this would be a great time just to see what I'm going to do. Obviously, I need to clean this up next. Next thing you'll see me is clean this thing cleaned up and reassembled this thing. So it's a little bit longer this time. I'll have to clean all of this. What is that? That's Hammerite off as well. Right, so this is what my taped up version looks like. Hopefully the rubber solution should stick to this, because particularly press these edges down. Alright, ready for it. Keep your canister in a warm place. I put mine where the engine was because it was running for a while. And find somewhere to spray it. I'm going to lay it on a cardboard box and spray it. Alright, I hope you can see it. Make sure you've got some sort of face mask on. So, clean surface. I've sprayed it too thickly, I think. Anyway, I'll go leave it dry. Right, that rubber solution absolutely did nothing. It was patchy and it melted the heck out of all this electronic tape, insulation tape. So it was useless. It melted the adhesive on it. Alright, so different plan. I've got another plan today. I'm going to pull the whole thing out and I'll show you what I do. Right, I'm using now plan C, I guess this is Rhino tape, and this is £4.49 from Tool Station for 2 rolls. My word, they are something like 50 meters each, so really good value for money. So I've got my usual food carton thing that I've been making into like a slide, and it's kind of, if you see the shape, catches it here. See if it catches. Rain drips, it flows. It's really nice and smooth. And here, what I'm doing is, you can see the rigid part of the food carton, but I am building slightly above it with a kind of a flexible section from this tape, so that when I go to put in the bolts, yeah, it will just kind of flop over and then flop back. Nice and flexible. Notice I'm doing it in like a roof tile kind of fashion, starting here, then here, then here, then here. Likewise, I've done the guttering the same. The plastic that's flowing away from it is actually behind it, and the next one's behind that, next one's right. So I'm laying that one first, that one. So the water is going to flow through here, down here, and obviously I'm going to lay more. I'm going to start from this side, and I'll work towards the drainage system, the central drainage system as well. So I'm going to end up starting from here, working my way towards this central part once I've got this all solidly put on. finishing touches to the there's I've got a little slot in there. This tape is really good, just sinks onto anything, it really sticks. So it's all taped up at the back. That's a bit rough, but the water didn't get over it anyway. So I've got like a tile system going there. One's over this side or above the ones over this side. So I've laid them like as a tile over there, and end up over there. Okay. So all this rubber stuff is just rubbish. That's from that plastic dip stuff I used. Absolute rubbish. So tempting just to leave it as it is. Maybe just to tape up to about here, but I won't. I won't do that. I will do as I said. So if I started here, remember what I said earlier, forget that. Start here, work on my way towards the rear. If I do that, it means the ones up here over this side are above, and there'll be definitely like a tile on your roof. Forgive me if I get things wrong. It is absolutely freezing, and it is at night, and I've had a hard day's work. I am trying. Okay, because it's curved, I have to do it in sections. Let's start over it. I do is these bits are difficult to cover. So make sure you get right past them. They're difficult to cover. I'll do an extra one just for that circular bit sticking out, whatever that is for. And this tape is really good because it will go over any lumps and bumps. Right, I'll just. Anyway, that's me done. I think I can still scrape off. You can use a screwdriver to scrape this stuff off, I know, because I've done it onto the underbody of a car before, so no problem. It's a good idea to put Underseal on it. It's the ultimate water deflector, isn't it? I think that cloth sooner or later will leak. So we've got a nice layer on this black goo, and I might even install it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I think, fingers crossed, this should work this time for a long time. And good luck with your repairs as well, because this is a common problem for the Honda Civic 2.2 or Honda Civic Mark 8 in general.